Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to fix exclamation mark on Wi-Fi on your Android device. So in order to fix this issue, first thing first, make sure that your device is up to date. An exclamation mark is displayed on the Wi-Fi icon indicating that the network is unavailable. You can also try restarting the router and try again. You can turn off your router for 20 seconds and try reconnecting it. That might be able to fix it. Apart from it, you can also restore your phone to its factory settings and try again, or else you can open the settings, search for the reset network settings. You can go to your settings, and from here you can go to network and internet, and over here you can go to reset network, and you can just go to your system, and from here you can go to reset options and select reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, whatsoever, and accordingly reset it. Apart from it, you can also go ahead and tap on forget and can reconnect the Wi-Fi. So let me show you. I'm connected to this particular network right now. If I long press on it, if I tap the forget button, you need to reconnect it once again, entering a password. So once you do that, that might be able to fix the issue. You can simply restart the device, and that might be able to solve your issue all at once. So in that way, you can fix an exclamation mark error on Android device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.